Hey, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are putting in a sloped driveway into the property here. We got the Kubota KX57. We're gonna have this thing for a week, doing a little test run on it. I'm gonna flip you guys around here. We've been out here for a while now doing some logging. We got some clearing done up here. We dropped a lot of trees yesterday. So today we're gonna get in here and get our logs stacked up, get our debris out of the way and start pulling stumps. That's basically what the entire week is going to be designated for. How much we get done, we'll have to just wait and see. But today's project is going to be putting in a driveway up this sloped incline. I'll turn you guys around and let you take a look at it. So here we've cleared a little alleyway, guys. It's a little bit of a slope going up. We're gonna wind up pushing it this way and widening it out. We need to get in here and get all these stumps out of the way, get the logs off of here, and then we're gonna go back and drop more logs on it. We just don't wanna create a cluster with a bunch of logs. I'll walk up here. This isn't going to be too terribly sloped, but it's definitely sloped. So there's some things we're gonna have to address, like runoff, as well as our sloping, as well as our bevel. So we've got a 4-way blade on the excavator, so we're gonna be able to dig a little ditch as well. So as you see, it comes up on the landing where it's nice and flat. We've done a ton of clearing in here. And we've done it in a way where we can go in, pull stumps, grab logs, move logs, grab debris, put debris on bigger piles of debris. Basically just a big consolidation. We're gonna wind up pushing these trees back in here. And then as you can see, it gives you a good idea of the incline there. There's a big tree on the left there. That's gonna come out, we're gonna take that out. There's actually another big one in there. We're gonna take it out as well, kind of push the driveway back to about there, push this that way over there. But as you can see, we've got some cleanup that we got to do. So we're going to jump in and get started, guys. I'm excited to be able to play with this thing. I'm excited to test it out. I've been testing out a couple of different excavators lately. It's in the plans to get one, but we're taking our time to test them out and see what brand we want to get. All right, let's head back down the hill and get started.